All right, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. What I'm showing to you right now is the hero color. It's in gray, but I also have the pink version as well as the dark blue variant. Compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is thinner and lighter. It feels solid, it feels premium, and it doesn't feel fragile, which is one of the main concerns of foldable device owners. Now, when it comes to the inner display or the inner screen, it still has that noticeable crease. I don't think that is going to go away anytime soon, so it's just something that we all have to live with. However, I just wanted to point out that competitors are now coming up with foldable devices that are much thinner and much lighter. And I'm guessing that that would be a deciding factor when choosing Samsung over its competitors. Of course, Samsung is pushing Galaxy AI, and we've seen a lot of these features in the Galaxy S23 and S24 Ultra. Now, there are a few enhancements here and there in the Notes app and in the translation app and the calling app.
아이스 아메리카노 하나 주세요.
I'd like an iced Americano, please.
Okay, here you go.
자, 여기 있습니다.
One of the more fun and exciting features involves the camera and photo manipulation. So their generative imaging features allow you to do things such as drawing a picture of a cat, and it's going to fill that cat with a photographic version. Now, another feature is the ability to generate alternate versions of images. So, for example, you can take a photo of yourself and you can create a cartoon version. Now, that is something that we haven't seen in the S24 Ultra. We are seeing it first on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, the big question that surrounds the Galaxy AI features is whether or not Samsung plans to charge for these features at a later point in time. Now, when it comes to actual camera hardware, we're told that the Fold 6 uses the same sensors as the Fold 5. So that's a bummer because we were kind of hoping to see better cameras. We're not exactly expecting it to compete against the Ultra series, but at the very least, we would like to see some kind of improvement. Just don't give us the same cameras that we did last year. Performance-wise, we are going to see some improvement because it now runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. We still don't know at this point in time if there will be an Exynos variant, but our experience with the 8 Gen 3 has been very positive so far, and the best thing about it is the battery life. It is a very efficient processor. And on that note, it seems that we're getting the same battery capacity and charging configuration as last year at 4400 milliamp hours, which charges at 25 watts, and wireless charging support. So that's it for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, we've only had these devices for less than a day, but if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. We'll try to answer them as soon as we have more information. But for now, see you in the next video.